Hi everyone, this is Param. Welcome to Learn with me. I hope you all are doing well. Guys, in today's video, we will discuss some daily useful English sentences and phrases which you can use in your daily conversation. I hope this video will be useful to you. So, without wasting time, let's get started. First sentence is तुम्हारा इस घर पर कोई हक नहीं है. You have no right on this house. You have no right on this house. तुम्हें नहीं लगता कि तुम गलत कर रहे हो. डोंट यू थिंक दैट यू आर डूइंग रॉन्ग. डोंट यू थिंक दैट यू आर डूइंग रॉन्ग या फिर डू यू नॉट थिंक दैट यू आर डूइंग रॉन्ग. आपको नहीं लगता कि ये बहुत महंगा है. डोंट यू थिंक दैट इट इज़ टू एक्सपेंसिव या फिर डू यू नॉट थिंक दैट इट इज़ टू एक्सपेंसिव. मैं तुम्हारे बहानों से थक गया हूँ या फिर मैं तुम्हारे बहानों से अक गया हूँ. I am sick and tired of your excuses. I am sick and tired of your excuses. मुझे लगता है कि मैंने घर खुला छोड़ दिया. I think I left the house open. I think I left the house open. लगता है कि मैंने किचन खुला छोड़ दिया. I think I left the kitchen open. I think I left the kitchen open. मुझे बिल्कुल भी भूख नहीं है. I am not at all hungry. I am not at all hungry. ये तो उसका रोज का काम है. It's her everyday story. It's her everyday story. मैं बता नहीं सकता कि ये कितना अद्भुत है या फिर अमेजिंग है. I can't express how amazing it is. I can't express how amazing it is या फिर I can't explain how amazing it is. वह मेरे बगल में बैठा था. He was sitting beside me. He was sitting beside me. काश तुम मेरे साथ होते. I wish you were with me. I wish you were with me. ये तो मैंने पहले सुना हुआ है. I have heard it before. I have heard it before. मेरे पैर में दर्द हो रहा है. I have a pain in my leg. I have a pain in my leg. मेरे हाथ में दर्द हो रहा है. I have a pain in my hand. मुझे ऐसा लगा ही था. I thought so. I thought so या फिर I felt so. मैं बिल्कुल भी बोर नहीं हुआ हूँ. I am not bored at all. I am not bored at all. ये बचा हुआ खाना है. This is leftover food. This is leftover food. इस तस्वीर को मैं कहाँ लगाऊं या फिर कहाँ टांगूं. Where do I hang this picture? Where do I hang this picture? आपके जन्मदिन पर आपको क्या तोहफा मिला या फिर क्या उपहार मिला. What gift did you get on your birthday? What gift did you get on your birthday? मैंने तुमसे कई बार कहा है कि क्लास मिस मत करो. I have told you many times don't miss the class. I have told you many times don't miss the class. मैंने तुमसे कई बार कहा है कि इसे मत खाओ. I have told you many times not to eat this. I have told you many times not to eat this. वह एक के बाद एक गलतियां कर रहा है. He is making mistakes one after the other. He is making mistakes one after the other. क्या मैं आज थोड़ा जल्दी निकल सकता हूँ. Can I leave a bit early today? Can I leave a bit early today? वो कल से यहाँ है. He has been here since yesterday. He has been here since yesterday. उनके साथ बुरा बर्ताव किया गया. They were treated badly. They were treated badly. आपको इसके बारे में किसने बताया. Who told you about it? Who told you about it? मूर्ख मत बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. वह मेरा दूर का रिश्तेदार है. He is my distant relative. He is my distant relative. अपने फ़ोन को साइलेंट पर रखो. Put your phone on silent. Put your phone on silent. चलो आज रात खाने के लिए बाहर चलते हैं। Let's go out for dinner today. Let's go out for dinner today. काश आप पार्टी में होते। I wish you were in the party. I wish you were in the party. So friends, these were the 30 phrases and sentences which we discussed in this video. I hope you liked it. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel for more content. I'll meet you in new video with new content. Till that time, all the best. Good luck. Bye bye.